Two. Yes, Shreyanshi, start reading first paragraph.
Yes, Delhi has been center of India politics since ancient times.
Ancient.
Delhi was an important center of trade and commerce during the reign of Tomar and Chauhan Rajputs in the 12th century. The Delhi Sultanate was established in the early 13th century. The rulers who ruled over the vast area of North India between 1206 AD and 15,026 AD. Arkanau has Sultan and Regan is Kannau has Sultan. These rulers were original of Turkish and Afghan origin. During these 325 years,
Internal noise is coming. Someone's mic is on. Switch off. Continue better.
total five dynasties came to power in Delhi. Sultanate included the Slave dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, the Taghlaq, Taghlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, and Lodi dynasty, along with Delhi Sultanate. With
Sultanate.
we will also study about Vijayanagar and Bahmani emperors in this lesson.
Switch off. I think the noise was from Rupra Shreyanshi's house. If there is disturbance from your house, at that time don't switch on mic. Only say me, ask other please. Here we are going to discuss Unit 2, Delhi Sultanate. As we know, Delhi is the capital of our country today. Even in past, from ancient time, it is also a political center in our area. It was also an important trade center during the reign of Tomar Chauhan Rajput in 12th century. Delhi Sultanate, which was established in 13th century at the beginning, means 1206, when Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Tabuddin Gori, and then Ghulam dynasty started. This all considered as Sultanate age from 1206 to 1526. Whatever the dynasty ruled over Delhi, it is Sultan dynasty. We call it Sultanate. After him, in 1526, as we know, Babar defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the last ruler of Sultan dynasty, and thus Mughal dynasty came into existence in India. Yes, Sultan dynasty ruled from 1206 to 1526. It is about 325 years they ruled. Among them, five dynasty major them are Slave, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, and Lodi. Besides this, we will also discuss Vijayanagar and Bahamani Empire in this chapter. Now, we are going with the beginning slave dynasty. First paragraph only. Rulers of Sul- uh, rulers of the Delhi Sultanate. First one, slave dynasty. Bhimjani Niva. Start.
Yes, rulers of Delhi Sultanate. Slave dynasty in 1192 AD in the Second Battle of Tarai, Shihbazuddin Ghori won a decisive victory over Prithviraj Chauhan and laid the foundation of Delhi Sultanate after the death of Muhammad. Ghori, his slave
Kutubuddin
Kutubuddin Aibak
Aibak
became first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate. During his reign of only 5 years, he tried to retain the Sultanate power. He fell from
the horseback.
He
Yes.
fell from horseback while playing polo and died in 1210 AD. After his death, his slave as well as his son-in-law
Iltutmish.
Iltutmish came to the power. He established
Chahalgani.
Chahalgani, a force of 40 Turkish nobles to make Sultanate supreme. He shifted the capital of Lahore to Delhi. Iltutmish is considered to be the true founder of the slave dynasty. Iltutmish did not find any of his sons deserving the position of the Sultan, so he declared his capable daughter Razia Sultana
Razia Sultan.
successor.
Yes. Slave dynasty started from 1206 to 1290. In 1192, Shahabuddin Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan in the Battle of Tarai, and this way, Delhi Sultanate was founded. It was started in 1206. After the death of Ghori, his slave, keep in mind slave, means Ghulam, Qutbuddin Aibak became the first Sultan of Delhi, and thus slave dynasty started. During his reign only for 5 years, Qutbuddin ruled for 5 years over Delhi, and once he was playing polo and fell down, and he died in 1210. Then after, his son-in-law as well as his slave Iltutmish, who became the ruler or Sultan of Delhi, he established Chahalgani. It means made a force of 40 Turkish nobles, means in those days best warriors, and thus he tried to make Sultanate supreme. Besides this, Iltutmish also shifted his capital from Lahore to Delhi. At the beginning, capital was Lahore, but then after he shifted it to Delhi. And thus, first Sultan of Ghulam dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak, but Iltutmish is considered as the founder of Ghulam dynasty or slave dynasty. Iltutmish did not find any his son. Iltutmish has son, no doubt, but they were not capable to rule, and so then he declared his daughter Razia as a successor. Perhaps you heard the name, the first female ruler of Delhi, Razia Sultan. There is a movie over Razia Sultan, casting by Dharmendra and Hema Malini. It is too old movie. Perhaps you might watch. Here you can see the picture of Razia Sultan. First female ruler of Delhi, daughter of Iltutmish. Now, Ruswani Kresa
Yes, sir.
start shortly after.
Okay. Shortly after the death of Iltutmish, his daughter Razia ascended the throne of Delhi. She was the first woman ruler to ascend the throne of Delhi. Minhaj-e-Siraj, a historian of that time, also admitted that Razia was more capable to become sultan as compared to her brothers. Yet it was difficult to gain recognition as a woman ruler. Even the
Yes.
courtiers were not willing to accept her, and her as an independent ruler. Her rule came to an end because of greed for power of the nobles and the ongoing rebellion. The state was in turmoil for 6 years after her death. The nobles enthroned Iltutmish's sons Nazru-
Naziruddin.
Naziruddin Naziruddin on the throne of Delhi. He ruled for 21 years. After his death, Ghiyazuddin Balban came to the throne. He destroyed the Chahalgani force and overthrew the grip of the nobles from the regime.
Regime.
He stre- He strengthened the king's position. Balban was a patron of literature and art. After his reign of 22 years, within short time, the Khilji dynasty was established in Delhi Sultanate.
Very good. Listen, beta. Many of the students read this word reign as a region. That is not region, that is reign. Here you can see REIGN. Reign means rule. So next time keep in mind. Yes, Razia Sultan, as we have discussed, daughter of Iltutmish. She was more powerful than her brother, and so that Iltutmish declared Razia Sultan as her successor. After Iltutmish's death, Razia Sultan became the ruler of Delhi. She was the first ruler, and as even today, we as a male cannot accept a ruler as a female. And in those days, the people were more orthodox, and so that she was not accepted by mass of the courtiers and ruled over for Delhi for only 6 years. After her death, her brother Naziruddin, he became the ruler of Delhi. His brother Naziruddin ruled for 21 years. Then after, Riyasuddin Balban, he got the throne of Delhi. He started his own policy and so that he destroyed Chahalgani force introduced by Iltutmish and tried to make a grip over whole power or whole army. He also strengthened the position of the king. He also strengthened the position of the king. After him, Khilji dynasty, who came into the throne. Perhaps you heard about Alauddin Khilji. If you have watched movie Padmavat, at that time you have seen Alauddin Khilji, main villain of that
Sir,
saga. Yes.
willing means
What?
willing means
Willing. એટલે આપણી ઈચ્છા ન હોય ને એવું વિલિંગ એટલે ઈચ્છા હોવી આમાં નોટ વિલિંગ આવશે.
અને patron means
પેટ્રોલ મીન્સ એને આશરો આપવો.
okay.
In those days, kings patronized great people in art, literature, dance, etc. It is said that in Akbar's court there were 9 Ratna. We call Navratna. Means he patronized all of them. Very good. Now we are moving towards Khilji dynasty. Yes, Chauhan Komal.
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
Khilji dynasty 1290 AD 1320 AD. The rule of Khilji dynasty started with the ruler Jalaluddin. After 6 years' rule of Jalaluddin, ambitious Sultan Alauddin came to the throne of Delhi. He expanded his empire by conquering North India, Gujarat, and South India. He started the system of keeping permanent army in Delhi. He introduced a system of mark dag face chehra for distinctive identification of army horses and soldiers. He also made administrative reforms like price regulation, market market control and hoarding regulation. After the death of Alauddin Khilji, the state was in turmoil. Ghiyasuddin
Tughlaq,
Tughlaq wa- Tughlaq was
one,
the one who ended the Khilji dynasty and started the Tughlaq rule from the throne of Delhi.
but as it is 9:20, sorry, 9:50, only 5